Hello guys, today I want to unpack a small multi-tool by DeWalt, and this tool you have to have at home or in your car. It's always good to have one of them. Okay, it's a tool must to have. So this is a 16 like one multi-tool. There's about 16 different like knives, screwdriver, like you name it. Okay, you can see it right here. Okay, I'm gonna unpack it and we'll see what is inside. Okay, so let's open it. Remember, safety it's my #1 priority. Okay, be very careful with the knife. So I'll start to open on the side. Okay, that was simple. All right. So here's the tool. What do you guys think? It feels very solid. Actually, it's very good to have in a car for many different reasons. First, it's always good to have like this tool in your car. Anytime you need to open, let's say, well, to screw something, you have Phillips screwdriver right here, and it feels really good. Then you have like the flat screwdriver here. Then if you need to cut, you have scissors like to cut paper. Let's see if it cut anything. Yeah. Oh yeah, it can cut. Wow, it's pretty much, it's cut pretty thick surface, no problem. Basically it's probably designed to cut just piece of paper, but hey, you never know what you need to do. Okay, what else does it have? Okay, you got knife with a sharp. You probably can saw something, let's say like this one. Let's see if I can cut it. It's do very small damage, so it's not gonna really cut much, but again, you never know. It's sharp. As a knife wise, let's see how good the knife is. It's not bad. I put a special wood here just not to break the glass table. Okay, so let's see what else does it have. So it has some knife, and the metal feels good. It's very like flat. Okay, they had one bottle opener. Another bottle opener. So it's two type of bottle opener, I guess. With one of them, it's a little bit sharp on the end. Then got filer, if you need to file your nails. I'm just joking. Well, it's a filer. Then there is also ruler. It's 2-inch. So if you need to measure 2 inches, okay, you can always use it when you need it. And then there's something else. I guess there's one more tool. Maybe not, maybe it's Yes, there should be one more tool. Let me see. Okay, let's count how many so far I see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So about 8. Okay, I guess that's all. Oh yes, that's all the tools. Basically, what they do is they count them. Some of them you can use different. There's also small things you can probably hang on. I'm not sure what is it for, like small ring. Basically, you will find sometimes you need to cut something or unscrew something or to screw something in your car and you just don't have it, so it's good to have. Okay, there's many multi-tools on the market. This one is by DeWalt, and they gave you good protection with the knife, so you have to push over here in order to put it back. Okay, so it's good, so it will not, when you cut, it will not put together. And with the scissors you have to also to push over there and put it inside. Okay, like this. But I like this tool. It's okay. Okay, it's spring pilers. Okay, you can also to cut some wire if you need to. So that's a tool. That was a very short unboxing, and I think it's a good tool. It's not expensive, it's about 20 bucks, and I'll put a link below where you can buy it. Please subscribe to see next video. Thank you for watching. See you later.